Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to configure a Pix Link. Pix is an innovative payment system in Brazil designed for instant transactions. It operates around the clock, every day of the week, ensuring your money moves swiftly. This system offers a secure and highly convenient way for both individuals and businesses to manage their finances, often at no cost for personal use and with significantly reduced fees for commercial transactions, making it a very attractive option. To begin, you'll need to create a Pix key, which acts as an identifier for your account. First, open your banking app or chosen financial institution's platform. Navigate to the Pix section and select Create New Key. You can choose from 4 types: your CPF or CNPJ, an email address, a mobile phone number, or a random key. After selecting, you'll typically receive a verification code via SMS or email to confirm your details and finalize the key registration. Once your Pix key is set up, sharing it for payments is straightforward. You can simply provide your chosen key, like your phone number or email, to the person sending you money. Alternatively, for even greater convenience, generate a QR code directly from your banking application. This can be a static code for general use or a dynamic one for specific amounts. For online transactions, many platforms offer a Pix copy and paste option, allowing you to share a unique payment string. After a payer initiates a transaction using your Pix key or QR code, the funds are transferred to your linked account almost immediately, typically within 10 seconds. For security, always double-check the identity of the person requesting your Pix information. It's also a good practice to periodically review your registered Pix keys within your banking app. If you no longer use a specific key, consider deactivating it to maintain optimal security for your financial transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.